how to create a portfolio website for free. So I'm going to show you how you can also design your own portfolio website just like this one. So let's get right into the content. So I'm having a link of this platform in the video description down there. It's an affiliate link. Click on it, it's going to bring you right, and then come and put in your email address right here, okay? And then come and click on start now. So when you click on it, what you have to do is to simply sign up or create an account. And then you can sign up by simply coming here to where we have choose a password. Come and put in your password and then confirm the password and simply come down here to sign up and then click on it. You can also sign up using your Google account or Facebook, okay? So after that, they are going to ask you who you are creating the website for, okay? So simply come here to where we have for myself, for my business or a friend, and then come and select that one. Then I simply come down here to where we have the continue and come and click on continue. And then over here, they are going to ask you, do you need a guide? Yes, come here and then select a step-by-step guide, okay? So after selecting it, simply come down here to where we have continue and come and click on it. So after that, over here, you have two options to either start a chat, okay, or to continue without chat. Simply come and then click on setup without chat because I'm going to guide you to do it. And then over here, they are going to ask you what type of website you want to create. Come and then select portfolio. Okay, so we are creating a portfolio website, and then simply come here to where you have continue and come and click on it. So over here, they are going to ask you the name of your website. Simply come and then put in the name you prefer. I'm going to call my blogging tools portfolio. After putting the name here, simply come and then click on continue, okay? And over here, you have to come and then select some apps that you are going to use. So they have automatically selected the portfolio for us, the Instagram feed. So I'm going to add one more, okay? So the blog, I'm going to add it so that we can write blogs. And then simply come here and then come and click on the continue. And as you can see, we are all done. Now come and click on continue to dashboard, okay? And then from here, simply come and then click on design your website. So we have two ways that you can create or design the website. We have the one that you can come and then select a template, okay? We have a pre-built template that you can simply come and then click on pick a template, or you can design the website from scratch, okay, by simply coming to click on generate a design using AI. But I'm simply going to select a template by simply coming to click on pick a template, and I'm going to select any of the templates, okay, that looks like what I want, okay. So we have portfolios template there. I'm going to go through and then select one. So I'm going to select this one. It looks nice and then already built. So all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the view and come and click on it. And then over here, as you can see, we can use the template and then design it to fit our preference. Okay, we can change anything and then edit it. So simply come here and then come and click on edit this site. So here you have to enhance it, okay, using the AI feature by coming to add some details about your portfolio, okay, what you are actually doing, okay. So if you are a web designer, just right there, and then people that you want to attract, okay, that is your niche, okay. And then after that, simply come here to the type of site and then come and then select it a local, and then the name of the site to come and write it, okay. So mine is blogging tools, and then after that, simply come down here and come and click on generate site test, okay. So we have successfully created or selected the template, and then now we can change anything, okay, change the text, the pictures, everything that you see from here. You can add elements, sections, pages. You can do anything. You can actually customize everything, and when you are done, simply come and then click on publish. And then over here, you can come and then choose their free domain to publish your website on. So as you can see, get a free webs domain. Okay, so over here, the dot my site to simply come and then clear it and put in anything that you prefer. So I'm simply going to put in blog. Okay, I think blog is nice than the my site too. Okay, so you can put in anything that you want, and then after that simply come here and then come and then click on save and continue. Okay, and the next thing is that, as you can see, it has been saved, but we have to publish it. So to publish it, simply come and then click on publish now. Okay, just click on publish now, and then as you can see, congratulations, our site is now live. And then this is our URL. Simply come and click on view site, and as you can see, we have our portfolio built here, and then that is so easy, right? So when you look at the URL, our website URL, you can see that it is using our email address as the preface. Okay, I don't really like this, so I'm going to teach you how to change it. Okay, so in order to do that, simply come and then select the editor. Okay, the editor, and then come here and then come and click on complete setup. So when you click on it at the top right hand corner, your profile icon, come and click on the down arrow, and then come and click on account settings. Okay, so when you click on the account settings, over here the site URL preface, come and then click on it. Like, you can click on it and then edit it. Okay, so come and click on it, and then over here from the site URL preface, simply come and then clear the email address name and then put in the one that you prefer. So I'm simply going to put in blogging tools. That is what I prefer. And then as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. This one looks nice than the first one. Okay, and then simply come here to where we have the save and come and click on save. So as you can see, it has saved successfully. So now let's go to the webs and then come here to all sites, click on the down arrow and come and then select the blog, and from here simply click on the three dots and come and click on view live site. And as you can see, our URL is now looking nice and simple. Okay, so that is it. We have successfully been able to create our portfolio website. Like the video and then leave any questions in the comment down below, and see you in my next video.